Now that we have the foot and calf massager off, we can see the footrest rotation lock assembly on the outside of the calf massager mounting arm. In order to remove this, we need to simply remove 6 screws on the back side of that mounting arm. Before we can install the new locking mechanism, we need to do a little bit of assembly. The assembly comes with 5 pieces, however you don't need to worry about the handle at this time because we're going to install that later after we install the calf massager. But we need to assemble these 4 pieces. The first thing we're going to do is install the spring into the black plastic housing. And then we're going to install the metal piece like so. And then finally place the black arm into position like that. And then you'll need to hold that whole assembly together while you position it, aligning the housing screw holes with the corresponding screw holes on the calf massager mounting arm. Once you have those holes aligned, you can reinstall the 6 screws on the inside of the calf massager mounting arm to secure the locking mechanism in place. You need to make sure these screws are all completely secure. And you can then just test it with your finger to make sure that that arm is moving back and forth.